How to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. If any day any of you are an email user and you would like to unsubscribe the emails from Gmail but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Gmail application on your mobile device. You have to tap on it. Now, after you tap on it, you can see an interface like this. Now here, in order to just unsubscribe the emails, here what you can do is you can tap on it like this. Now, after you tap on it, you have to go to the three dots. After going to the three dots, you can go to the option of the report the spam as well. You can just go to here and then you can see an interface like this. Now here what you have to do is you have to tap on the option of unsubscribe. After you go to the option of the unsubscribe, now it has been unsubscribed. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.